Hello, hi, this is Peng. Hi, this is the video tutorial for SendReach. SendReach, right now, the first thing you need to do is go to the SendReach, and I'll provide a password shortly. And once you go to a SendReach dashboard, you go to the mailing campaign. In the mailing campaign, you click that, you'll see this previous mail, and you go to this upper right hand corner on the top and say create new, and click that. So you will see with a campaign name, and you can do is go find the email which is seems appropriate. Maybe this one. And what you do is sometimes you can change the title. I like the title to be more personalized. Sometimes I don't like, hey, hey, I'm be searching for you. You can say hi, or you can just leave that, been searching for you. Okay, and pretty much just that change in this page. And for the list, you can choose the first one has more one, this is last one, choose the one has more, and save and next. And you need to type the title again, which is copy paste the title, and rest of them is being populated. There's no need to change, and you just need to click continue, save and next. In the next screen, it's very important. You don't want to type anything here. Okay, you want to get a template. If you type anything here, the format will be weird. So you just choose change and select template. 1, 2, 3, the 3 from the left. Change and select template. Do not choose other. You can choose other, but we don't really have any template to upload or import. We only have template here in the server, so we're gonna select template and don't type anything there. And you're just only gonna see one and choose only one there. Choose, and you're gonna see the templates here. Then what you do is go there to get your email. And once you get your email, just go back to the server. Okay, you don't have to touch anything here. This is always there. Don't need to type any address. This is actually they will actually put the address here eventually. I mean once they finish. Okay. Control V. Okay, I just do Control V. I'm not sure why choosing the right click mouse paste and it ask me that. Okay, I just do Control V. Okay, edit or edit sender. Alright, so now change the URL over here, just like you do for others. Okay, and of course you have list of URL. For this one, you can just you can use this one. Should be no problem. But I haven't fully tested. Let's using the rotation first, because I have not fully tested to see if that's working for the regular one. So let's go back to I think it's here, right? Yeah. Okay, and here change that. Okay, and click OK. Alright, so that's it. And then you don't want to open this builder. Okay, we just get a template and copy paste. And there's no need to change here. Save and exit. And they will tell you gonna send at what time. And say, for example, this one SendReach 6 a.m. today, right? 6:30 is past already, so 6 a.m. because right now it's recording. Right now is 9 p.m. Eastern time, so 6:30 a.m. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to type the 6:30. That will be next day already, Monday. Okay, 6:30. Oh, you can type directory, or you can click here. Okay, you can just type directory, and you can check the time. You just move your mouse here. You can check that. Here's local time is based on EST time. It's 9 p.m. 9:16 p.m. and this is system time. Just check the local time here, so you know that it's already past 6:30, so it's next day, 6:30 a.m. Then you can create another one for 6:30 p.m. I only put this task for Jay-Z and Sarah Sheila because I want to get the email all kind of balance, and I was thinking getting this one kind of more, but right now because this server is so slow, it probably can only send 2 emails every day, so that's why. So I will do another adjustment. So send campaign. So you'll see the campaign here. You see the campaign I sent like 2:16 p.m. still here. So I probably only able to send one. So let's see if I actually have all campaign kind of backup here, and then I'll decide to send one. Okay, so right now, so it's done. It's there pending sending, and the time gonna be sent is day 8 send 9:13. No, that's not correct. 9:13, is that the system time or done? Just want to make sure. Okay, it probably based on the system time because we have the just double check. Well, it will not allow me to go to all the way to the end. Then we'll just continue save next. Oh, this is problem. You know, if you basically once you finish the campaign, you know, you really don't want to go back to do this. Otherwise, they will show you this. Okay, and it's gonna be freeze like 30 seconds to 1 minute because you're gonna kind of load in the stuff. Okay, very slow. So once you're done, you make sure you set the time correct. Just save, and once you display in the dashboard, and it will show just because somehow it's based on the system time, so it's okay. So you can see that I know this one. That's why in the tutorial I said be careful what issue you click. You know, when you try to go back, you're always facing this problem. That's I already send the tickets to support. That's the way it is. That's their program do. Okay, so this is gonna be there for like 30 seconds to 1 minute. You pretty much can do nothing. You see, move. You know, you cannot even go to the dashboard. Okay, so right now pretty much is okay. You can see the hands here. So pretty much is back to normal, and another probably 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you're back there. So hopefully you don't go this far. Just follow the instruction on the video. Go to by step, and set the time and just move on. Instead of try to go back and change again and do this and do that. Just watch the video for the first, couple minutes, and that will do the trick. Okay, and I will go back later for the Higguru, which is Interspire. I have video about this, and basically to create a campaign is very easy actually. Just go to email and campaign here, Higguru. Okay, this is different program, and choose create an email campaign here. And once you create email campaign and just put the title, Okay, just choose the one is legit. Try not to copy those, you know, not legit. Something like, you know, you can actually kind of tell. Um, step 2, step 3, massive momentum. Today's special. Um, for you to try this out, it's on us. Okay, that's me. I sent this one. Um, oh, I'm doing something. I'm implementing whatever email sent from this server, and I'll just it's kind of like you can see, you know, because this is I sent. You can see how it look. So basically, I put the mark, and if people respond to the email, it will actually show here, and you'll see lots of people respond nonsense. You can ignore them. Um, I do have a place that I will implement later, which is I respond to those email. I can show the interface now, for example. This is my web interface. I didn't ask you to do that because I don't want you to take time to do this right now, especially when we are still beginning. But this is all the email we send, and we got the response from people. Okay, this is all the response from people. So today is 124 on read. Okay, something I read. So pretty much you see some people they actually send multiple times. I just ignore them. Some people positive, some people negative. I always uh, you know ignore the negative. And I do read the email like Wano, hi, yes, I speak English, and sometimes I just put the feedback, something like, yes, I sometimes, if I reply a lot, I just copy paste. And this is a Ducky, so it's based on Peter. So just kind of keep interaction. RONALD, okay, and click send. Just let you know I'm doing this for each server. I have a lot of emails, so 23, but was 124. So far I don't have to do this, but I do that. But I'm implementing a way that you also can see a copy of email here. Okay, so you can see kind of response every time you send emails, people kind of response. So just choose one. It's in the cache, everything. So okay, so I choose this one. Okay, I copy, and I go to the this one higguru.org. I paste. I like to really have first word in capital, and in most of cases, I really like the first word to capital, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I don't want to make it too complex. And then the HTML. And this is not like an ARP you have to do in HTML, editing. No, you can just directly copy paste like this. You directly copy paste. And of course, I really like to get the format loops. They'll be easy to read. And the name here. And the name for Higguru is Anna. Oh, Anna here. Okay. You can say something sincerely to the best regard. Anything. So that's done. So just save and exit. Okay, save and exit. That's it. So once you click save and exit, it'll ask you to choose time. Okay, just click here, see send. Click send. And there are two lists. Which list to send? Send the most people one. Okay, the woman. Okay, whatever the most people. I might change it to whatever the most people. Send the email to. Okay, just click next. This is email list. On the email schedule setting, uncheck this box because if you check this one, it's send immediately, and you don't want to send immediately. You want to send based on schedule. So for that schedule is I do Shida schedule Higguru 12:30 p.m. right? So I just go to 12:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. That's tomorrow, right? Because right now it's already past 12:30 p.m. Yeah, right now it's 9 p.m. here. Right, so 12:30 p.m. That's tomorrow. 12:30 p.m. And next, and schedule my email campaign. That's it. So that's done. Okay, it's gonna be queuing here until 12:30 p.m. Okay, so this is two email scheduling. The rest of them are pretty much the same. And I still keep Imnica. And also the reason I need to adjust the time just because sometimes we send a lot and you know some server will eventually got into a spam folder. You know, eventually it will. So I'm kind of change, you know, kind of working around with all different kind of email server to make it all running fine. And there's a cost with you know, sometimes email server gets spammed, then you have to set up another one. And that's why we have those server. Actually, we pay for service. They are quite expensive. And we also have self-host is cheaper, but easily gets spammed, and you have to set up different one. Okay, so this is pretty much the video showing how to do that email listing for two email software. This is called Interspire. Okay, even though you see my logo, but it's actually, you know, Higguru. And another one is which is SendReach, and I'll put the user ID and password after I upload this video. Thank you, and have a very blessed day. Bye bye.